You don't want to buy an outhouse.
I think you've got enough to do, don't you?
Yeah. Right. This is the steering column off the Simca. This is the shroud, which as you see is not a lot of good. Here's a new one with all the wires. The customer's trying to speak to me now. What crap are you buying now?
I've walked away.
Well, you walked away. Alright, so this is one of all the wires I've changed over. That actually goes on there, like that, but we got the switch to fix. Switch is damaged. So we're going to take that apart tomorrow and have a look at that. 2 sets forward and 1 back. New master cylinder on the Simca. New pipes, front and back. Now just waiting for the front cylinders. Right, so here we are on the Simca again. New cylinders fitted. Brake shoes are good. Pretty good under there as well. Not sure if I said the back wheel cylinders for this one are modern Renault Traffic, which is interesting. I don't know what the numbers are, but I can find out if you're interested.